Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can find the serial number for your iPhone device on the iPhone 13 series. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on General, then tap on About. Next, in here, you will be able to find the serial number of your device. Now, this serial number is often required if you need to check for the warranty of your device, if you need to bring it into service. Sometimes the support staff will ask you for your device serial number, and this is where you can go and check out for your device serial number. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.